Hi there! Today we're going to talk about the power of social proof and testimonials for small and medium sized businesses. We will also tackle some techniques to help you create your own. Testimonials and social proof play a crucial role in the success of small and medium sized businesses. So here's a detailed explanation of why they are important. Number one, building trust. Trust is a fundamental aspect of business, especially for small companies that may not have established brand recognition yet. Testimonials and real customers provide social proof, reassuring potential customers that the business is credible and reliable. This is particularly important in an era where consumers are often skeptical about marketing claims. Testimonials serve as a third-party endorsement, which is often seen as more genuine and trustworthy than self-promotion. The second reason why social proof is important is the fact that it influences decision-making. Consumer behavior studies show that people often look to others when making decisions. This is known as the bandwagon effect. Testimonials provide evidence that others have not only used the product but were satisfied with it. This can significantly influence potential customers who are considering a purchase, especially in a competitive market where distinguishing one product from another can be challenging. Number three is enhancing brand reputation. Positive testimonials and social proof contribute to a strong brand reputation. For small and medium-sized businesses which may lack the extensive marketing budgets of larger corporates, positive word of mouth can be a game changer. It not only attracts new customers, but also helps in retaining existing ones. A business with a good reputation built through authentic testimonials is likely to enjoy repeat business and referrals. The fourth reason why they're important is SEO benefits. Testimonials can also contribute to search engine optimization, especially on your Google My Business profile. When customers mention specific products in their testimonials, these contribute to the relevant content on the business's website. This can improve the website's search engine rankings, making it more visible to potential customers. Number five, addressing specific concerns. Good testimonials often address specific concerns or questions that potential customers may have. By providing real-life examples of how a product or service solved a problem or improved the situation, testimonials can effectively answer questions or alleviate concerns in a way that standard marketing language might not. Number six, emotional appeal. Testimonials often contain an emotional element, sharing how a product made someone feel. This emotional resonance can be powerful in influencing potential customers. Emotions play a significant role in purchasing decisions, and testimonials that evoke positive emotions can be particularly persuasive. We can't be talking about social proof and testimonials without mentioning that they are cost-effective marketing. For small and medium-sized businesses, budget constraints are often a reality. That's why testimonials are a cost-effective form of marketing. Unlike paid advertising, they leverage the experiences of existing customers to attract new ones, and this makes them an affordable yet effective tool for businesses with limited marketing resources. Number eight, testimonials can significantly increase conversion rates. Featuring customer testimonials on a website's homepage or in marketing materials can provide the final nudge a potential customer needs to make a purchase. That's because they reduce the perceived risk of buying a new product or trying a new service, especially when the business is not yet widely known. Number nine, creating a personal connection. Small and medium-sized businesses often thrive on personal connections and a sense of community. Testimonials can help foster these connections by highlighting the experiences of real people. They make a business feel more human and relatable, which can be a significant advantage in a market that often feels impersonal. In a crowded market, having strong social proof in the form of testimonials can provide a competitive edge. It differentiates a business from competitors who may not have as many positive reviews or may not showcase them as effectively. This can be particularly important for businesses in industries where trust and customer satisfaction are paramount. Creating effective testimonials is a strategic process that can greatly benefit small and medium-sized businesses. So here's our step-by-step guide with details and examples. The first step is to identify satisfied customers. Look for customers who have had a positive experience with your product. These could be repeat customers, or those who have given positive feedback or have been particularly engaged with your business. If you run a local bakery, for example, and you notice a customer who frequently praises your pastries, they would be an ideal candidate for a testimonial. Step number 2 is to reach out for testimonials, and this answers the question of how to ask. First of all, personalize your request. Send a personalized email or have a face-to-face conversation expressing your appreciation for their interest in the business and asking if they would be willing to provide a testimonial. For the local bakery, they can send an email saying, "We've noticed you've been enjoying our pastries, especially the blueberry muffins. We'd love if you could share your experience in a brief testimonial." Step number 3 is to make it easy for your customers. Offer a simple structure or prompt questions to make it easier for them to write a testimonial. This could include what they like about your product, how it helped them, or why they choose your business every time. So for the local bakery, they should be asking specific questions, like what do you love about our blueberry muffins? Or how does visiting our bakery make your day better? Step number 4 is to obtain permission to use their testimonials. Always get written permission to use the testimonials in your marketing materials. This can be a simple consent form or an email confirmation. You can include a line in your email saying, "By providing a testimonial, you agree to let us use it in our marketing materials." Step number 5 is to use testimonials effectively, and this answers the question of where to place your testimonials. Try to feature testimonials prominently on your website, your social media, or maybe brochures or even in your store. Display a specific product's testimonial on that product's page on your website, or you may also create a social media post featuring the customer's story. Step number 6 is to regularly update your testimonials to keep them relevant and fresh. This shows potential customers that your business consistently delivers a great experience. Every few months, rotate new testimonials into your website or marketing materials. That makes them more relevant. Step number 7 is to respond to testimonials. Try to show appreciation for testimonials by thanking the customers who provided them, either personally or publicly. So for the local bakery, they can respond with a comment like, "Thanks for your kind words, John. We're thrilled you love our blueberry muffins." Step number 8 is to incorporate a mix of testimonials. Try to use a variety of testimonials that showcase different aspects of your business to appeal to a broader audience. Alongside a testimonial about your product, for example, you can include one about excellent customer service or the ambience of your location. Step number 9 is to use video testimonials. If possible, create video testimonials because they can be more engaging and convey emotion more effectively. So for the local bakery, they can create a short video of a customer discussing their favorite bakery items, capturing both their words and enthusiasm about the business. Step number 10 is to analyze and adapt. Use the feedback in the testimonials to improve your business. And on the other hand, if multiple testimonials praise a specific aspect, highlight it more in your marketing. So for the local bakery, if many testimonials praise the cozy atmosphere of the bakery, they can consider using this as a key point in their marketing campaigns. Now, before the end of this video, we would like to share with you 3 tips on how to make your testimonials better. Number 1, authenticity matters. Ensure that your testimonials sound genuine and aren't overly scripted. Number 2 is to highlight unique selling points. Use the testimonials that speak about what sets your business apart. And number 3, address concerns. If a testimonial addresses a common concern, Feature it prominently to reassure potential customers. By following these steps, you can effectively gather and utilize testimonials. This will enhance your credibility, attract more customers, and build a stronger brand presence. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that you now have a better understanding of social proof and testimonials. If you need any help with that, or if you have any questions, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.